Telling your parents that you want to pursue a career in trading can be a very daunting task. But don't worry, I've got you covered by these 5 effective strategies. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on anything. Today we will be tackling a topic that many aspiring traders find awkward, and that is how to tell your parents that you want to trade Forex. So let's dive right in. Now look, if you are going to tell your parents that you want to start trading, firstly do your own research and understand what sort of strategies are there, what sort of risk management factors are there, what do you have to look for, what are you trading, what are you not trading, what days are you trading, etc. So basically you start to understand what trading is about, because if your parents have actually got into trading or tried trading before and had a negative experience, you best bet that they're going to tell you not to trade. So understand what you're talking about, and if they have tried trading before and had the negative experience, you could talk them out of it and basically you could just convince them. So do your own research and see how it goes from there. So the second way you could do this is to have proof of skill. So basically if you're trading a live account, demo account, or whatever it is, show them your trades, show the amount of money you have made. Now that way, if you show your parents the amount of money you have made, they're like, oh my god, my child has made so much money, or they made X amount of gain. That way they'll be more accepting of what you are doing. Now as parents, yeah, they worry, I get it, but what you want to do is to take away that worry by showing them money, by showing them gains. Okay, look, I'm making this much, because all they care about is your future. And if you can show them that you got good, let's say, knowledge, you got a good skill or proof of skill, that way they'll be more accepting. Now the third way you want to do this is to choose the right time and the right setting. If they come back from work or they're stressed, trust me, don't tell them that you want to become into a trader, because they will freak out. So maybe you want to do it on a Friday when they're chilling, Saturday when they're chilling, Sunday they're probably getting ready for work. So basically do it when they're calm, when they're watching TV, when no one's really about. It could be your mom or your dad. So that way the setting's correct and you have a better chance of getting a message across that you want to become into a trader. The fourth way that you want to do this is by addressing their concerns. Look, before you even go talk to them, write down all the concerns that they may have. They may go to you, oh my god, trading is so risky, my friend lost X amount, he's in this sort of mind state. So basically write down all the possible scenarios that can actually happen. And by doing so, if they do say it's risky, say to them, no, I've got a strategy in place. This is called risk management. For every $10 I lose, I can make $5 in return. So 1 to 5 risk reward and etc. So show them all the risk management strategies and any other safety strategies that you have, so that way they won't be as concerned when you tell them. Now the last way is to offer to start small or part-time. Now when you come to tell your parents, tell them that you're only going to start with a small account, like £20, £50 or whatever it is. That way when you do lose money, show them I'm only losing £1 or £2. That way they're more accepting of the fact that you're still learning and that's the price you're paying. Now part-time, they may think, oh my god, my kid's gonna run out of uni, he's not gonna go college, he's gonna skip school just to pursue this career. So tell them, look, no, I'm only gonna do this on the side. First I'm gonna back test, I'm gonna make some money, then I'm gonna jump on live account and make some money while I'm studying as well. So that way they're more accepting of the fact, because look, they're just concerned that they just don't want you to drop out of uni, college, school, wherever it is. So that way if you do come to tell your parents, just tell them, look, chill out, I'm still going to continue with my studies and I'm going to be trading this part-time. Look, I wish you best of luck, because some of these techniques actually worked with my parents as well. So make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you send it to your friends so you can help them get into trading as well. See you soon.